So here's the universal motor controller. It's powered by a USB keyboard. So the way it works is first you pick a direction. Let's say you want to go in the positive direction. You hit plus, and then you hit a duty cycle, a number between 0 and 100. Let's say 0, 2, 0. It is now spinning in the positive direction at a 20% duty cycle. If you want to go faster, just pick the same direction, plus 0, 5, 0, and now you're at 50% duty cycle. And of course the max is plus 100, and now it's spinning as fast as it can in the positive direction. Now let's say you want to go in the opposite direction. Just hit minus, and then do the cycle you want, 0, 1, 0. Now it's going in the opposite direction at a 10% duty cycle. And of course, since this is a bidirectional motor, it can go up to 100%, even in the negative direction. If at any time you need to stop your motor immediately, simply hit the space bar. That's the emergency stop. No matter what speed it's at, the space bar will stop it